I could have built these shelves 1,000 different ways. Ultimately, I decided to bake them out of 2x10's and pine on the front here. They give me that thicker look on the front to match the countertop that I built. And instead of talking throughout this entire video, I'm just gonna let you watch me work. I hope you enjoy. Check it out. I don't think this is gonna work. Gotta change my design. That is how I built these pantry shelves. And they are nice and smooth, easy to clean, nice and strong, and there's a ton of storage in here, and a coffee bar for my wife. So if you needed to do something like this, I hope the video helps out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.